Hi, beloveds. I'm Tonya Gonzalez, creator of Yini Yoga. I am so excited to bring you this new feminine-centered spiritual practice of poses, meditation, prayer, and healing. See, it was during the research of my book, Heal, Sister, Heal, that I was able to look at some of the research and look at some of the symptoms and the problems and issues that my sisters around the world are facing, including, reproductive health issues and fibroids and all kinds of stress and hypertension and obesity and all types of problems. And these are some of the things that I will be addressing in my upcoming book. But one of the things that I found that was so crucial to this was movement of the body, movement of our energies, connecting to our feminine cycles with the moon and with Mother Nature. And it was in this that I was being called for to bring forth back a love that I've had for myself and bring it back out into the world. And so Yini Yoga was born from my own practice of yoga and how it's healed me in over a decade of learning and loving yoga. See, back in 2007, I became a certified yoga teacher out in Kripalu and went away for a month into the Berkshire Mountains. And I spent 30 days and nights really enforcing and tuning in to yoga in a different way, something a girl like me from Chicago could have never imagined. And it was then that I knew that the medicine and the healing that comes with yoga. And so when I combined that wisdom and that energy with the energy of wanting to support and heal sisters from the inside out, Yini Yoga was created, as well as my love for belly dancing. And so what Yini Yoga is a blend of the sacred, of the spiritual, and of the sensual. It allows you to move your body and connect to your emotional self and really tune in and turn on the sacral chakra, where our creative fire is created. We stoke that fire with flow practices, breathing, and then we inspire that fire with poses that allow us to explore and discover ourselves and our bodies. And then there's restore. That's where we allow ourselves to rest and to hold and to really center in on that energy and what we are creating. And then there's the energizing, the moving of the hips, that connecting to that yoni, bringing our womb wisdom through our bodies and through our yoga practice. And so I invite you on a sacred journey with me over the next few weeks. I'll be sharing with you breathing, flow. I'll be sharing with you inspiration, some restoration, as well as energize, all a part of the Yini Yoga series. I can't wait to share, serve, and shine with you more in the next upcoming weeks. It's my birthday time, and it's my time to shine. Until next time, beloved, I can't wait to share more Yini Yoga with you. Keep on glowing, flowing, and growing, beloveds. Peace and blessings.